Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can move memories to my eyes only on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, I'm gonna simply open up my Snapchat app. Once I've opened my Snapchat app, I'm gonna tap on this little photos icon. Now I will be able to check out my memories and posts over here. I'm going to tap on a random one, and this one I'm going to simply save, okay, to my eyes only. I'm going to tap on this three dot given on top and tap on my eyes only. Now I will tap on move, and this memory will be moved to my eyes only right away. I can do that same with the other one. I can tap on this three dot. I can tap on this my another memory, tap on three dot and tap on my eyes only and tap on move, and the memory has been moved. So I'm not going to delete it. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to my eyes only. I'm going to add my code. There we go. The my eyes only that I have just moved to over here will appear right over here, and I'm perfectly fine and I'm good to go. That's what I can do simply over here. Likewise, I can do that to any other memories as well. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.